Ready to potentially ride the meme coin wave with the help of AI? We're diving into how to use Bloombot, a Telegram bot, to automate your meme coin trading. First, head over to Telegram and search for Bloombot. Make sure you're adding the official bot to avoid scams. Once you've found the correct bot, start a conversation. You'll need to link your wallet to Bloombot to start trading. The bot will prompt you to connect a wallet. Connect a wallet using a secure method. Once your wallet is connected, you'll need to deposit some funds to begin trading. Bloombot supports various cryptocurrencies. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, and follow the on-screen instructions to transfer the funds. Now the fun part. Let's configure Bloombot to trade your favorite meme coins. Bloombot allows you to set specific parameters, like entry price, target profit, and stop-loss orders. This automates your trading based on your preferred strategy. Play around with the settings to customize how you trade with Bloombot. Remember, meme coin trading can be incredibly risky. Always do your research, only invest what you can afford to lose, and use Bloombot responsibly. Good luck.